Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hi everyone. Sorry if the camera's not pointing right, but I'm on Haruko and it's not really possible for me to hold my phone and I use, go on, do stuff on Haruko. So I wanted to talk to you today about a really good program that you may or may not have heard of. Sorry, that's my parrot talking over me. Hey Buster? Yeah. Anyway, if you hear that water, it's because I'm in the conservatory and it's the water feature. So I'm on Haruko at the moment. My HB Elite book, 8460p. And if you don't know, I use NVDA because I'm visually impaired. I'm using the Eloquent speech synthesizer. And I want to show you a program and it's called Coretemp. You may or may not have heard of it. I will put the link in the description to download it. And what it does is it uses temperature sensors on the CPU or the board, I can't remember which one, and it tells me in real time the temperatures of the cores, because Haruko's got an i5 processor and Tulip's dual core, I think, because I put it on both of them because obviously I know that depending on, it's allowed to be a bit higher with a, it's going to be higher with a Haruko anyway. So let me show you how it works. So Coretemp, I have to confirm. Hang on. Press Alt Y. It's just the user account thing. Right, let me just turn this up a minute. You're probably not going to see it because for some reason, I think I've set the brightness really low when she's on battery. So you will hear, like I said, Coretemp now. If you tab around, you won't hear anything. So if I press Alt, let me show you all the menus. So Alt for menu and go up. Hang on, I've done that wrong. Right. File, we go up. Press right arrow. Right. Let me just show you this. Overheat protection. I've already set this on Haruko, so I've checked that, so she should shut down if she gets to about 90 degrees, which I've checked that. I'm not sure what that means. Right, so then let's go back to the menu, right? I think offsets is if you know these at temperatures like slightly below or above it. So let's press enter if it's not being accurate, because apparently it's not very accurate with certain processors. It does say that it works with AMD and Intel. Obviously it tells you every 1 second. Press right arrow. That bit doesn't read it very well. Right arrow. I'll ignore that. So let's push right arrow again. We're in tools. If you don't know what dump is, that's like a crash file where it saves the log. Don't know what that is. But no, I'm not gonna do that because obviously I might not read it and they might fuck her up, so press enter on system information. Like it just said you can press F3. Tab. Well, this is where it will tell you the information. So if you listen, down arrow. I think that's the frequency at what it's running. I know a bit. I think a bus speed is like between the cores, I think, because I did my BTEC, but I know bits and I don't know. No idea. I'll just ignore all this. Keep going down. Obviously, that's her request processor and the speed. Don't know what that is. Some of this is all like math stuff. I don't. Oh, I think that's the thing. No idea. Right, now we hear this. This is like really like stuff. Right, here we go. This is where we go down and we listen here. I don't know why it's only got the 2, because obviously she's I5, but obviously as I stone that, it's just going to keep refreshing temperature. And like I said, you can set it to restart with Windows. And I just wanted to tell people about this app. And now the reason I use it is because it helps me identify if it's time for either Tulip or Rico to be like, you know, to have the things, to have the cleaned. And obviously because people assume, oh, I won't be able to do it. No one's ever showed me how to do it myself, so I have to pay to have either Tulip or Rico stripped down when I need it. And that tells me obviously as well, I keep an eye on if the processors are okay, so, or if the fan sounds a bit too loud. So yeah, I'd recommend this, and like I said, it's mostly accessible with NVDA. Don't know about other screen readers. Don't give a shit about JAWS because I think they're just they charge like £2,000, which I'm not even gonna go into a rant about that piece of shit. But like I said, MVDA relies on donations. It's free and it relies on donations. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful. And please like and subscribe. And yeah. Oh, I'll just add that obviously with Haruko, because it's a better processor, I can allow for the temperatures to go a bit higher. So if it gets to, I don't know, 60. No, once I was really worried because we're having a heat wave once, and obviously Haruko's case is like metal, so like sometimes if it's really hot and I touch the case, it like fucking burns me, right? Well, anyway, the fan was on. She was really, really hot. Like even Coretemp was literally saying like 80 degrees, right? And I was dead worried. But obviously the computer place where I got them from, where I got her from, UK seller will mention they're a good shop as well in Derby, a good computer repair shop. I got Haruko from there because originally knew she would have been £1,000. I got her for 326. They said it was ambient temperature, but she's not been like that since. So, whereas I think if Haruko got to I don't know, but if they both get to around 60, 70 or something like that, I think that's when you have to be concerned, I think. But it all depends. Like, I could game on Haruko, but obviously I can only play like the games like the old Tekken and stuff that I've got enough sight to play. So, yeah. Let me just check something now. I don't know why. She's not even doing anything. But yeah.
Stop recording. Button.